and showing it off. Hi, girls. Okay. Put the girls down. Okay, here we go. It's the wireless stapler. Made in Japan. This probably started off life as an American tin can. We shipped all our steel to Japan, and they made toys and tools and sold them back to the United States. So, you have 2 sheets of paper, and if you don't have any paper clips at hand, so what that's done is just cut this tab out. It made a slit. It tucked the tab into the slit. So, let's see what happens inside here. Leave it. So, hopefully this will show up. Okay, hopefully something showed up there worth seeing. Here's one that didn't quite finish, so the tab is pushed through the slit. Makes a pretty fair. I mean, it'll stay together if you put it in a folder, lay it on your desk. You can pull it apart. A little effort. Okay, that's it. That's the wireless stapler.